Welcome to this BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to generate form fields automatically using AI-based detection while creating templates in BoldSign. Manually placing form fields on a document can be tedious and error-prone, especially when you're working with lengthy agreements or multiple templates. BoldSign's AI field detection helps you avoid that. BoldSign's AI-based form field detection intelligently scans your uploaded document layout. It looks for visual cues such as underlines, boxes, labels, and signature areas to identify where fields are needed. Based on these patterns, it automatically places key field types like signature, text box, date signed, checkbox, and radio button. Now, let me show you how this feature works in action. First, log into your BoldSign account. Click Create New and select Create New Template. On the Prepare Template page, enter the template title and description in their respective fields. Then upload your document. After the file is uploaded, specify the roles you need for this template and configure any role-specific options. Once you've reviewed the remaining sections, click Next to go to the Field Configuration page. This is where you usually add and configure form fields on your document. Instead of placing fields manually, you can let BoldSign do the work for you. To automate the detection, click Place Fields with AI. A confirmation dialog appears and explains which field types are supported by AI detection. And it reminds you to review the placement before saving. Because I want to replace any existing fields with AI-detected fields, I click Place Fields with AI to confirm and proceed. BoldSign now analyzes the document and identifies all the field locations it can detect. It then replaces or adds fields with the appropriate field types. You'll see these AI-detected fields marked with a sparkle icon. Take a moment to scroll through the document and review their placement. You can adjust any AI-generated field, just like a regular field. To move or resize a field, simply drag it or adjust its handles. To customize its properties, click the field to open its settings panel. Here, you can modify options, such as whether the field is required, its formatting, or any other available attributes. If your template includes multiple recipient roles, you can reassign a field to a different signer by changing the Assigned to Field in the Settings panel. This is especially helpful when the AI has correctly placed a field, but you want a different recipient to complete it. There are also additional actions available through the Context menu. Right-click any AI-detected field to open the menu. From here, you can choose Select All Fields to highlight every field on the current page, or select similar fields to select all fields of the same type. You can also use Delete AI Fields to remove the selected AI-detected fields with a single action. Standard options such as duplicating, cutting, copying, or applying fields to other pages are also available, which helps when you want consistent field behavior across your document. If you decide that you want to remove all AI-detected fields and start over, click the Place Fields with AI, drop down again, and select Remove AI Fields in the Remove AI Placed Fields dialog box. Review the instructions and confirm the deletion. BoldSign will then clear all fields that were added by AI while leaving any manually added fields untouched. Once you've finished reviewing and customizing the AI-placed fields, and you're satisfied with the layout and assignments, click Save Template. Your template is now ready to use, with AI-generated fields in place, making future sending much faster. BoldSign's AI form field detection helps you save time, reduce manual effort, and create templates more efficiently, especially when working with complex or repetitive documents. To experience it yourself, log into your BoldSign account and try placing fields with AI on your next template. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more BoldSign how-to videos. Thank you for watching.